All right, guys, here we go. I got a 20-pound Wagyu beef brisket. It's not Wagyu pork. Don't get it confused. Wagyu beef brisket from Hassell Cattle Company in Texas. We're getting ready to get this bad boy on the smoker. I'll be honest with you. I've smoked a 17-pound brisket. Smoked a 15-pound brisket. I smoked a 18-pound brisket. But I've never had a 20-pound brisket. And I've definitely never had a Wagyu brisket. This right here will run you about 150 bucks on their website. But I'm telling you what, we're gonna make this worth every penny. Get this bad boy out of here. That's what I'm talking about. 20 pounds Wagyu brisket. We're getting ready to put some danos on it. Have ourselves a dang good time tomorrow when we're eating this. So first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna trim it up a little bit. There's not a whole lot of fat on here. You got some hard pieces here, a little bit here. Other than that, even on the bottom side, you can see we won't do much trimming at all on the bottom. I just had some Wagyu beef ribs from Hassell Cattle Company. We didn't have to trim them at all. So they do a really good job of the pre-trim before they ever send it out to you. You are buying premium meat, so of course they're gonna spend extra time, extra love, because they do what they love. They raise cattle, I make seasoning, I do what I love, so I make sure every bottle's made just right for you. Let's just trim a little bit of this up. Some of these fatty pieces off. And oh yeah, if you have not subscribed yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Leave a like, leave a comment. Let me know what I did wrong on this brisket, because I know I'm offending somebody, especially when you put that sweet danos on that Wagyu, baby. I'm done trimming, because I'm ready to season this thing. I'm ready to get it on the smoker. This is gonna smoke for a long time. We're going extra long smoke, so it's gonna be all good, my friends. All right, so real easy. You can go with mustard, you can go with mayonnaise, you can go with hot sauce. I'm going with Kentucky Can. This is a Kentucky bourbon hot sauce. It's a friend of mine. Y'all ought to check them out, Kentucky Can. We're just gonna pour some on there as our binder. And just rub that in. Get it in all the little nook and crannies. We're in Kentucky. All right, binder on. Now you grab your danos, pop the top. This is when we talk about popping that trigger finger. Goes just like this. Pop, pop, pop. Check it out. Just like that. I'm trying to hold on to the bottle because my hand's a little greasy. I'm fingertip popping. Look at that, fingertip popping. Bunch of danos. The beautiful thing about it, it's low sodium. It's got the right amount of salt, 50 milligrams of sodium per serving. So it's the right amount of salt. So when I use it, I can use a lot of it, and I'm getting that good flavor of the garlic and the onion. You know, a lot of people go CPG or whatever, or just salt and pepper, whatever. Hey, you do your brisket how you do yours. I'll do mine how I do mine. We'll see which one's better, you know what I'm saying? Get this all up in there. I'll put a bunch in my hand here real quick. And just kind of get up in there like that. Look at that. Just keep going with it. It's gonna be an awesome crust on here. Bark, or whatever you want to call it. As long as you call it dang good, it's all okay by me. So there's that. I'm gonna flip this bad boy over. And we're gonna do it again. Some Kentucky Can. Oh man. I'm gonna need the help of GoPro Joe. GoPro Joe, can you show these ladies and gentlemen how to do the trigger finger popping? Show them how it's done. You know,
click, 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 click.
A little pop, pop. The ball might be a little greasy.
That's
oh
right,
yeah.
guys. We're getting it on there. Bring it on around. Get this down here.
Oh yeah, get it good and cover it
up.
up.
It on up. Get on this.
Here, let's get up in here. Get up in there, boy.
Get on in there with a click.
That's what I'm talking about.
Pop, pop, pop.
All right. Thank you, Joe.
Indeed.
Here, give me a little more in my hand here.
Be a little.
Man, a little spicy Danos will get you. There we go. Thank you. Put a little more there. And right there. I'm telling y'all what. This is going to be awesome. Actually, Joe, do me a favor.
What you need here?
Let's pop it again. We want to get a good coating. I can see the meat. This Dano, I mean, look how thick this meat is. Putting that crust on there is not going to hurt anything. Let's just coat it all again. Pop, 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 right there. There we go.
Don't miss it there. Don't miss it there.
There we go. Now, we gotta see if we can fit this on the smoker. Open it on up. See if we can fit it in. Should I do a meat slap? There you have it, folks. That right there, that's a brisket. And it's gonna be dang good. I think it's time I go wash my damn hands. Let's fill up our pellets here. You call me Big Dan the Pellet Man. Big Dan the Pellet Man. If anybody can, Dan can. That's why they call me the Pellet Man. All right, y'all. Brisket's on. We got all our photos and everything we need with this brisket. So the camera crew's going home. The sun's coming down. The sun's going down. Next time we see you, the sun will be coming up. And I'll be checking it throughout the night. So if I need to switch something up, you're probably not gonna see that, but see you soon. Like right now. Take a look at this bad boy. I'm super excited. We got our crust on there, our bark established. Check that out. That's a brisket, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Look at this. Let's flip this thing over just so you can see the bottom side. Oh yeah. Yeah. We're doing something right. Doing something right. Flip this back over. And let's take it over and get it wrapped up. That, my friends, is a big old brisket. It's gonna be a great day today. Look at it. Look. Oh yeah. Nice. All right, we'll wrap this up the best I can. This thing is so big. I mean, this is the maximum width on your foil, and I got 3 pieces, and I had to put another one on top just to make sure we get this thing fully wrapped. So, wrap it up. It smells so good, y'all, for real. No lie. We're gonna put this bad boy back on. It's gonna be hot. Oh yeah. It's gonna be perfect. We'll let it rest in our cooler, and then we're gonna eat that bad boy. Stay tuned. All right, y'all, it's time to pull the brisket. Trying not to poke a hole in the bottom, so I'm gonna lightly lift and then sneak in underneath. Pick this bad boy up. Transfer it. We just let that sit in the cooler, give it at least an hour. Oh, Smells so good. Yeah, baby. Look at that, my friends. Let's get this bad boy. Yeah. Look at. Yep.
Quit playing with your meat. And
I
cut it.
know. So it's results time. We're gonna cut right into this bad boy. We're gonna start cutting right here. I'm gonna cut right here, right through the fattest part. Oh. Cut like
What?
butter. Look at that.
Huh.
Look at that. That is juicy, my friends. Look. Not even squeezing it. Look, watch us. Yeah.
Whoa. Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
18-hour smoke. Watch this slice. Literally just like butter. This flat right here is a little tough. Look at that smoke ring on it. Look, it's just falling apart. Seriously. Look at that.
Say what?
Get you some of that too.
Oh my gosh. Wow. The only thing that reminds me of brisket of that is the taste. The texture is unlike anything else. Wow. Not gonna lie, I'm not stopping there. Or there.
That's crazy good.
And that skin,
Look at that.
packed full of flavor. Take you a bite of that piece right there, Dan. I
That
bet you're
piece?
gonna be flavored. Flavored. Look at that bark on there.
Oh, look at that.
Oh my gosh. Cut more, please. I mean, that is so good.
Look, get some from right there. Look,
Oh, yeah.
there's a piece.
Oh yeah, look at that. Oh. Got that flavored bark on there.
Rhino, you want to try this?
Yes, sir. You never ask.
Oh.
Slice me a little piece out of that middle.
That right there. What do you want, like?
Just peel me off some. Something I can manage. There we go.
Oh, that's all good ones right there.
You're about to taste the best thing ever. Is that not impressive?
You're not lying.
Yeah.
That was really good. Mmm. Oh man.
And there's the cap right there. It's got a lot of fat in it,
Mm-hmm.
but that is like some super tender meat. I'm kind of speechless right now, y'all.
That's the best brisket I've ever had, hands down, in my whole life.
I've smoked a bunch of brisket. That is really good.
I mean, it just literally falls apart in your hands.
Falling apart.
Tender as can be, packed full of flavor.
Oh, you
Moist.
throw that on a sandwich, throw some sauce on it.
Oh man, give me some bread.
Hey,
Yeah, Dan did
I'm
yourself.
kind of speechless. Once again, guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, do it now. Leave a like, leave a comment. I know there's going to be a lot of controversy on my brisket, the way I did it. There might be a few things I would do differently. I'm still learning how to do a brisket, but there's one thing that I know. That flavor right there of the Danos, you can't go wrong with it. I don't care what anybody says. If you're a salt and pepper person, whatever, this rub's better than that rub, try it with Danos. If you do, leave a comment. If you don't have a bottle of Danos, you need to yum and go get you some at danoseasoning.com. But you guys, we do this because I love you and I just show you more recipes to put Danos on. So like I said, make sure you hit that subscribe button and we'll see you next time. Keep sprinkling.